Hey everyone, today I'm doing unboxing and review of OnePlus Bullets Wireless C. It's a new wireless earphone from OnePlus and it's available in Amazon, Flipkart and OnePlus at a cost of Rs 1999. And you can see it's written here, it will give 10 hours by charging for 10 minutes and total of 20 hours of backup. Okay, and there's a lot of features mentioned here like rapid charge, long battery life, magnetic control, waterproof, quick search and low latency mode. And let's do it, unboxing. Okay, this is how I will get. We'll open it. Yeah, this is our product. Let's take it out. Okay, this is the box. We got it from here. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we found a user manual. We open the side. Okay, this extra earpieces in different size. And this is a Type-C USB cable in the red and white design. Okay, let's take the earphone. Yeah, I will take it out. And as you can see, it's very cool, smooth. I will show you. Yeah, it's having magnetic control. Means you can play and pause using this. The device gets turned on when it gets separated, and it will get paused and it will disconnect from the phone when it's got attracted. Okay, you can see here a few controls. It's volume down, volume up and a play pause button. Yeah. And this play pause button, if you press 2 times it will go to the next track, and if you go for 3 times it will go for the previous track. And you can see it's very smooth and cool. In right side there's no control. And coming to left side, yeah, we have one switch here with a lead indicator. It's called quick switch. Okay, you can switch between 2 connected devices easily by tapping 2 times. It's a very cool feature. It's very nice. I loved it. And beside that, you can find a Type-C USB port and support rapid charge. You can charge within 10 minutes and can use for 10 hours. It's actually a good feature from OnePlus. Yeah, I loved it actually. And this is very lightweight. It's very cool. Yeah, the build quality is very good. Will feel very smooth. And this is water and dust resistant. It's IP55 rated. And APTX support is not there, as like wireless 2. And you will get AAC codec support. And quality is pretty good for the given price of Rs 1999. And in this product you will get a 9.2mm dynamic driver. Bass is pretty nice. It's not that much great. The microphone quality is also good. The product is available in 4 different colors: blue, mint, black and hot variant. And it's having Bluetooth 5.0 version. And friends, I would like to add some more details. The most important feature I found good in this product is the battery life. It's superb. And friends, telling about the quick connect feature, it's actually very nice. You can easily switch between 2 connected devices with the help of that switch by tapping 2 times. And about the magnetic earbuds, if the magnetic earbuds is connected, the device will easily disconnect it. And if you separate the magnetic earbuds, the device will connect almost within 5 seconds. And about the low latency mode, as you can see in the box, it is mentioned that the low latency mode will support only in OnePlus devices with the Fanatic mode. So it will be very helpful while playing games with this mode. So friends, overall I found this device, the new Full X Wireless C, is pretty good. For rupees 1999. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting.